Is your Elfsight widget text looking messy and misaligned on your Squarespace site? This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to achieve flawless text alignment for your Elfsight widgets within Squarespace, ensuring a professional and cohesive website appearance. Begin by navigating to the Squarespace page. Where your Elfsight widget is implemented, select the Elfsight widget block to reveal its configuration panel, the central hub for all its customization settings. Within the Elfsight widget settings, locate the area dedicated to text styling or typography. Elfsight provides comprehensive options for text presentation. Including alignment, you'll usually find alignment icons for left, center, and right justification. To adjust text alignment, simply click on your preferred option. Left alignment is generally best for readability for a more impactful style. Center alignment can be effective for titles or brief statements. Feel free to experiment to find the optimal look for your design. After selecting your desired alignment, remember to save the modifications to your Elfsight widget, followed by saving the changes to your Squarespace page. Now, let's review the outcome. Notice the improvement? Correctly aligned text significantly enhances the visual appeal and professionalism of your Squarespace website for any persistent issues. Re-examine the Elfsight widget's text settings within your Squarespace editor. Consistent and clear typography is crucial for a positive user experience.